Hi kids! Are you familiar with dagdag bawas? Ito ay isang paraan upang mas lalo kayong mas mabilis mag-solve during subtraction. Gamit din ito during addition. At yan ang ating lesson for today. Upang mas lalo nating maliwanagan kung ano ang dagdag bawas, makinig mabuti. Assuming that I have a set of apples grouped into 10 and a total of 5 groups. To get the number of pieces of apples, we will find the product. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Let's take a look with the other example. There are 5 rows with 2 apples less. Therefore, we can say 5 times 10 minus 2 is equal to 48. Now, let's try to subtract using dagdag bawas. Total number of apples is 48, and I would like to remove 19 of them. What will you do? Let's take a look with the subtrahend. 19 is 1 unit less than 20. Therefore, when you are adding or subtracting any number with multiples of 10, it is easier. We will color the first 2 rows with yellow background. Now, let's move these apples to the other side. Do you know how much is left? Yes, if you are going to subtract 20 from 48, it becomes 28. But this is not the final answer. Bakit? Kasi nung unang step, mas dinamihan natin ang ating ibinawas. Kaya ibalik natin ang extra nating bawat. Our final answer is 29. Hi kids! Are you familiar with dagdag bawas? Ito ay isang paraan upang mas lalo kayong mas mabilis mag-solve during subtraction. Gamit din ito during addition. At yan ang ating lesson for today. Ilang apples meron tayo ngayon? That's correct! 50. Paano kaya natin bibilangin itong napakadaming mansanas na mabilisan lang ang pag-count? Any idea? Pag binilang natin ng isa-isa, siguradong aabutin tayo ng napakahabang panahon. Ano kaya ang gagawin natin? Pwede ba ang addition? Pwede rin ba ang multiplication? Alin ang mas mabilis? Tingnan nga natin kung ilang columns meron ito. 10. Ibig sabihin, meron 10 piraso kada line o row. Gayon naman, tingnan natin kung ilang rows o line meron itong ating figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Sa mga batang hindi pa marunong mag-multiply, all you have to do is use the repeated addition. At sa mga marunong nang mag-multiply, all you have to do is multiply 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Now, let's go to our lesson using dagdag bawas in subtracting a number. In this example, I would like to take away 21 apples from the 50 apples. What will you do? Before anything else, let's review the parts of a subtraction. This is the minuend, and the other one is the subtrahend. For easy subtraction, we will find the nearest tens of 21. Now it is easy to subtract. Now I will take away the 20 apples. Now, can you tell me how many are left? Yes, it's 30. Can you count the number of apples left? 10, 20, 30. Are they the same? Yes. Our computation and the number of apples we counted are the same. My question is, sapat na ba ang binawas nating 20 apples? Balikan nga natin ang unang question. Ang ating subtrahend ay dapat 21. So, kailangan pa tayong magbawas ng ilan? Yes, isa pa. 1 apple more to be subtracted from 50. Much pride, I am presenting you the IVFC kids who were awarded in the first International Vedic Math Competition, which was held last September 11, 2021. Congratulations, IVFC kids! Keep it up, the good job!